The compact is what we as physicians in our group choose to live by. Ways of how we practice and how we respect each other as colleagues and how we wish to treat our patients. What I love about our group is that we're a large group. And because of that large group, we have multiple specialists, lots of expertise. And so I'm able and very comfortable to be able to pick up a phone, call one of my colleagues, and curbside them on any cases that I need. And so, what makes that great is that there's a level of respect. There's really not a power gradient in our group at all. The Riverside Care Difference is composed of 4 tenets: quality, safety, service, and respect. I think what makes Riverside a unique health system is that we will focus on the patient's wishes and we respect what they want, and we integrate that into their healthcare plan. Riverside is present everywhere in this community, everywhere from the schools, the museums, everywhere. I mean, we do local health fairs very frequently. They're an integral part in terms of sponsoring events. I mean, I think Riverside is very much tied to this community in terms of health and wellness. We really enjoy living here. I mean, we've had a long history, of being in Southeast Virginia, but so far I really enjoy living in Newport News. My husband's a Boy Scout leader locally. My kids both are in the public school system, and I'm an active volunteer at the Virginia Living Museum. So I really like being part of this community a lot. So my first day at Riverside was as an intern in the family medicine program. And I transitioned from Norfolk, which is not that far away, but I found that the peninsula and the Newport News area is very unique. It's unusual geography, kind of long and thin, but at the end of the day, it's still very close. It doesn't matter where you are in Newport News, somebody is going to notice you. And it has a small town feel, even though it's got some access to some great things like the Ferguson Center. So, what makes me proud is that I work for Riverside. I've been with Riverside for a long time. Riverside is known for excellence in this community, so I'm really proud to be part of this organization. My first day at Riverside was an unknown for me since it was my first day of training as an intern. I was expecting it to be very scary with having attendings that were going to not really mentor me as much as they have been. And I was pleasantly surprised that I've built relationships with my teachers. And now as I've become an attending physician and evolved through my training, I still see them as friends and colleagues today.